Hello everyone, Sean here, Select Performance. Today I want to show you our BMW M140i. It's a stage 2 in Estoril blue. It's absolutely stunning. Let's talk you through it. It's a 2017 in Estoril blue. Comes with the private plate. It's got the gloss black grills and performance front splitter. It's got the headlight tints, gloss back wheels. It's got the light cadmium blue film on the screen. Maxton side skirts and performance mirrors. So the Maxton rear spoiler with the gloss black badges. This really is a car that brings out the inner child. I can't stop driving it. Absolutely stunning. Really nice clean condition. No chips, dents, scratches. Really nice clean example. Moving inside, we've got the black Dakota leather. Pro navigation with a sport auto gearbox, heated seats. Loads of leg room in the back. Nice big boot for a little hatch. Has got a reverse camera as well. With the netting. Puddle lights. Does have a stage 2 remap. Sounds absolutely amazing. As you can see, all the horsepower, but it is quite noisy, especially on a cold start. Absolutely stunning in this colour. Thanks a lot for watching.